Hey guys, welcome to some phonics time. We are going to be looking at the worksheet for your phonics, your letters and sounds worksheet, page 155, 156. And this is the worksheet that goes along with Monday's lesson plan for May 4th, okay? So before you get that out, take out your whiteboard. I want us to do a review of some things that's going to help you whenever you see it on your worksheet, okay? So pause it here, get out your whiteboard, and then come back and see me. Okay, hope you got everything that you need. Thank you for coming back. I want to go over the suffix rule that you're going to see on this worksheet today. Our suffix rule is when a word ends in a silent E, we have to drop the E before we add the suffix, okay? So I want us to remember that. This is dropping that silent E before we add the suffix, all right? So I'm going to erase my board right here. We're going to do a couple on our own, and then I'm going to see how you do, okay? So for example, let's look at the word bake, okay? So let's spell that out. Bake, okay? So we hear the B, and then we hear a long vowel A, so we know that that means that we will have the silent E at the end, okay? So if I want to make it baking, Mom is baking a cake for my birthday, I want to change it, all right? So just like our suffix rule said, I'm going to drop that silent E that's slashed, okay? I want to drop it, then I can add my suffix ing to make baking, ing as in pointing, I-N-G. So when I go to write it out, it will be B-A-K. I'm not going to include that silent E because I'm going to drop it. It's going to leave the word I-N-G. Very good. Okay, so now what if I still want to take this word bake and make it baked? Mom baked me a cake for my birthday. Okay, so let's look back and see when we do baked, what's the suffix that I'm going to want to add? ED this time. Very good. We're going to want to add the suffix ED, right? Okay, so now let's rewrite the word here and let's talk about it. Baked. B-A again with R-K. Okay, so long vowel A still. Now I'm going to drop that silent E, okay? So when I write ED here, this is not the E that I dropped. This is the E that's part of my suffix, correct? Okay, very good. So now bake became baked. Let's look at another one. Let's look at the word like, okay? Like. Okay, so we have long vowel I, silent E, okay? So let's make it into liking, okay? We're going to drop the silent E. It is not going to be in my new word. When I add the suffix ing, ing like in pointing, I will not have that silent E in there anymore, right? So then it becomes L-I-K-I-N-G. Very good. Okay, so let's keep the word like. Let's make it liked. What is the suffix that I'm going to add there? ED. Very good. We're going to add ED this time. All right, the suffix ED. So when I go back and I'm going to write out my word and make like into liked, L-I, keep that long vowel I-K. Now I'm going to go in and add my suffix. It does not look like this, E-E-D. That's not correct, okay? L-I-K, because this E is dropped, the E that we see now in the word comes from your suffix, okay? All right. Erase your board. Now I'm going to kind of quiz you. Let's see. I'm going to give you the word, let's see, ride. Okay, I want to give you the word ride. Okay, here's your word. Write it out, R-I-D-E, ride. I want you to make the word ride become riding. Okay, add that suffix and make it riding. You can pause it, come back here when you're ready to check your work. Okay, so you're supposed to drop that silent E, so when we rewrite our word, it becomes riding, R-I. We're going to keep that long vowel I, ride, ing, as in pointing, I-N-G, in pointing, becomes riding. Okay, very good, guys. All right, so I want you to remember this whenever you were looking at your worksheet for today, okay? And come back, review it as you need to.